how to change who can add you as a friend on Facebook. Now before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook tips like this. Without further ado, let me jump into my phone and let me show you how you can do it. Let's go. First of all, open up your Facebook app, click on the top left, which is the three lines, the burger icon, and then you scroll all the way down and you can see here settings and privacy. Click on that and then click on settings. And then you can scroll down till you can find audience and visibility. And then you can see here how people find and contact you. Click on that. Then you see here who can send you friend requests. Click on that and then you can select everyone or friends of friends. So this is how you can limit or can change who can add you as friend on Facebook. So when you set this thing, then not everyone can add you as friend. Keep it limited, keep it more private. Alright, if you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you get more Facebook tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.